So you can get a discount on the brand new Google Pixel Fold, $700 off, which brings the price down to around $1,099. And then you can get extra money off if you trade in eligible phones. It's actually kind of cool. So starting off right away, the Pixel Fold looks like an impressive first foldable phone from Google, but wow, is it expensive. It'd be nice to knock off a few dollars off the high asking price of $17.99. You can actually do that with Google Fi, where with a 2-year service commitment, you can get $700 off the Pixel Fold. That could go up to $1,000 if you trade in eligible phones. There aren't too many catches with the deal. Google says you have to activate your new Pixel 5 within 30 days, keep your account active for 24 months, and it's open to new and existing customers in the US. You have to pay the $1,799 upfront or take a $75 a month plus service payment plan, and you eventually get $700 back as 24 month service credits of $29.17. The offer expires July 4th of 2023 and 11:59 p.m. EST while supplies last. If you weren't plugged in yesterday, yes, the Fold did come out. That's not actually that horrendous. If you don't already have a service plan already, this is actually not bad if you're thinking about, let's say, for example, you're at the end of, your current service plan with Verizon or AT&T, and you want to give Google, Fi a chance. You can get a really amazing foldable phone for a pretty decent, asking price per month. Not that bad. So where can you pre-order this device? Well, first off, you can pre-order it from google.com, which you go to google.com, it does tell you right away. It says that you are getting the $17.99. I don't know why it says crossed off $2,100. I'm not sure why it says $2,100 crossed off. But if you go down this list here, you can actually buy either unlocked, or you can buy it with, again, Google Fi, which, again, ends up being, a little bit discounted if you do set up a plan right when you get it. It says trade in phone, get estimate. So if you are trying to trade in a phone, let's say, for example, you have an iPhone 14 Pro Max, storage size 128, good condition, yes, you can get up to $900 trade-in value. Or, let's say you have a Galaxy Z Fold 4, you can trade in that phone, 256 gigabytes, good condition, yes, $900 trade-in value. So, that's actually a huge plus. You could trade in your Z Fold 4 and get $900 back. If you try to sell your Z Fold 4 right now in the open market, eBay, whatever, you're probably going to get around $850, $900 normally, and then you're going to lose $150 of fees and all the other crap that eBay charges you. So that's actually not horrendous value for the Z Fold 4. If you trade in Z Fold 3 and you try to trade good condition, you're going to get $800. Hold up. Z Fold 3s are selling currently now for like around $400 or $500. You could probably buy a Z Fold 3 for like $500 on eBay or different services. That's not a bad value at all. Do they let you trade in Z Fold 2? They let you trade in the Z Fold 2. You get 7. I think Google is setting themselves up for some bad things, because you can buy a Z Fold 2 right now for like $400. Around $300 to $400. A Z Fold 3, you're probably going to find it for around $400 or $500, and a Z Fold 4, you're going to find it for around $800 to $900. That is not a bad trade-in value at all. How bad? The Z Fold, the original Z Fold device, $625. I'm not gonna lie, Google might a $700 value for the Z Flip 4. Google might win this foldable phone race, guys. They might really win this foldable phone race, because that is crazy good value. The original Z Flip, how much? $52. See, that's what I expected. That's what I expected from a lot of these. I did not expect the Z Flip 3. How much? $600? Estimated trade. I know it says estimated, which means if it's in good condition and blah, blah. They'll inspect the phone. The Z Flip 5G is $53. I expected the Z $53, $54. I did not expect to see that much good. That's really good value. The OnePlus. Okay, $40. Google's like, we're not playing with your OnePlus bullcrap. Okay, listen, that's actually not that bad. And then if you get it from Google, you can actually get this too, where if you go ahead and see it says Google Pixel Watch, you can either get the Wi-Fi model or the LTE model for free with your pre-order of this phone. It would come anywhere from June 27th to July 3rd, which is actually not bad, next month. So you can right now pre-order this phone off Google. If you want to pre-order it off Amazon, you're going to have yourself a jolly good time, because Amazon does not start pre-orders until June 20th, which is, of course, 7 days after, 7 days before it would show up from Google. So if you want to buy from Amazon and you're really convinced that Amazon's the best place to go, you can buy it from Amazon, but you're not going to be able to actually buy it until June 20th. And I'm not sure when they're going to ship it out. I'm not sure if they're going to ship out the same day as when you buy it, but yes, you can actually buy it from Amazon if that's like your go-to place you buy cell phones. I bought this cell phone right here, the iPhone 12 mini from Amazon, refurbished. Make sure you check out that video if you've not done so already. I just wanted to see how the refurbishment process worked with Amazon, and I gotta say they're 1,000% really good with the refurbishment process. But overall wise, I'm excited to see, you know, how many people actually buy this phone. I've already pre-ordered this. I pre-ordered it the day it came out, that a couple days ago. 256 gigabyte, which that was yesterday. Okay, I'm sorry. A lot of videos I make. Okay, a lot of videos I make on all my channels. I forget how many days ago it was what. So yesterday, I bought the Obsidian 256 gigabyte model. I pre-ordered that one. And then I got the, I didn't trade in any phone, so I just did no trade in. I could have traded in like an iPhone or something. Did you turn on? Oh. Well, if it doesn't turn on, it's not eligible. But yeah, and I got the regular, I didn't get the LTE version of the watch. I don't ever understand the point of getting LTE watch. I mean, I know, I get the point, but I just never go with it. Because, like, the whole point is, if you get an LTE version of an Apple Watch, Google Watch, Pixel Watch, whatever, Galaxy Watch, you're going to have to get a separate plan for that watch. And it's only like $10 a month. It's not nothing. It's nothing crazy expensive. But what I don't understand about it is, like, the whole purpose is so you can use the watch without having your phone on you. But who leaves the house to go somewhere without any cell phone on them and just the watch? And as long as you have your phone and your watch in the same area, let's say you have it in your pocket, you can still use your watch like it has LTE because it's connecting to your phone that has LTE. There was one time at my old job that I actually had this happen where this kid was working with me. He came to work and didn't have a cell phone. He had his watch. And I remember he was like, he's like, oh, I left my cell phone at home. I'm like, oh, well, so you're not going to, like, I guess you won't be on your phone. He goes, oh no, I have my watch, and my watch has LTE, so I can just see all my text messages. That was the only time I've ever really saw a purpose to have an LTE watch. I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy to say that, but I have never seen a purpose for it. I do have a Galaxy Watch right here, and I do have it connected to my Z Fold 4, and no, it does not have any type of, what's it called, LTE on it. Just my personal opinion, I've no purpose for it. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.